this is Sritama. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna create the Hande inspired look. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Illegal Pro Conceal.
It's perfect for hiding pigmentation. The formula is very lightweight. It doesn't feel cakey or heavy under the eyes. কোয়ান্টিটিটা ভীষণ কম লাগে, হাত দিয়ে লাগানোটাই আমার মনে হয় এটা বেটার।
Maybelline Fit Me Concealer.
Right after the color corrector, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It comes with a doe foot applicator that makes it easy to pick up and apply. The texture is very creamy and easy to blend. আমি জেনারেলি হাত দিয়ে এটাকে অ্যাপ্লাই করি।
Double Wear Foundation in the shade 122 Sand.
For my foundation, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 1W2 Sand. It has a medium consistency, slightly on the thicker side, feels very smooth and easy to blend. You can use any foundation brush or makeup sponge to blend it. আমি হাত দিয়ে আগে প্রথমে ব্লেন্ড করে নিয়ে তারপর আমি স্পঞ্জ ইউজ করব। For my eyebrows, I'm using the Rimmel London eyebrow pencil. To match our eyebrows, I will keep it as natural as possible. Just gap গুলোকে খালি fill up করছি।
Swiss Beauty Sapphire Big Palette.
The palette offers 8 versatile mix of shades from neutrals to warm to smoky. I would suggest you to use the shimmer shades with your fingers to get the maximum color payoff. আর যদি ব্রাশ দিয়ে মনে করো ব্রাশ দিয়েও ইউজ করতে পারো। It retails for ₹329 only.
Maybelline Line Tattoo High Impact Liner.
For this look, I will draw an extended wing liner. Apply directly under the arch of your eyebrow from the inner corner of your eye towards the outer corner. You can use any sponge to blend it. I'm gonna apply it in my waterline. ভীষণ bright লাগে এটাতে চোখ।
Sephora Brown Eyeliner.
For my lower lash line, I'm gonna use this brown eye pencil from Sephora. It comes with a smudger with which I will create this smudge look.
Bronzer. California Blush Mini.
Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush Palette.
Eyelash curler. L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Nykaa Turn Up the Dama Eyelashes.
I am using the Miss Clear Eyelash Glue for my eyelashes.
Tea Beauty Banana Powder.
L'Oreal Lipstick 121 I choose. The color is not completely transfer proof, but it's very comfortable. আর ভীষণ সুন্দর শেডটা।
Huda Beauty Bombshell.
Bombshell is a peachy nude, highly pigmented, silky smooth. I think one of my first Huda Beauty lipstick is Bombshell. মানে আমি তারপর থেকে এটা ইউজই করে যাচ্ছি। Now grab a front section, twist it towards the back and then just take one bobby pin and place it to the side of your head.
I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up.